Hi guys, welcome back to my pretend baking show. In this episode we are going to be making mermaid cupcakes. So if that's something that interests you, stick around. So I have my vanilla buttercream, and I'm going to be using Rose Petal Pink, Wilton Food Gel Coloring, and Pink Gel Coloring. So I'm going to put my buttercream in my piping bags. I'll put a link in the description box below on where I get my piping bags from. It comes in 100 bags, 12-inch disposable cake decorating bags. This brand is Keen Pioneer. So, easiest way to do this, get your cup, put your bag around it. And I usually start with the lighter colors first. Scrape that into your bag. And save it for the next one. That makes sense. So for these mermaid cupcakes, I'm going to have 2 shades of pink and white, if that makes sense. So I'm going to have 3 colors, and I'm going to add some sprinkles, and I will show you how to pipe them. Okay, so here I'm just kind of creating a base layer. That way I can pipe the actual mermaid scales onto these cupcakes. If I didn't make a base, it's going to be kind of hard since there are spaces in between the cupcakes. Okay, so right here I am piping out my rose-colored buttercream with the pink buttercream, and then I'm also alternating with the white. And I'm just making dots, and then I'm smoothing it out with the back of a spoon. And I'm just going to continue this pattern all the way down and make the form of the mermaid tail until I get to the actual like tail part, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. And so just a quick tip, when you are smoothing it with the back of a spoon, what I do is I have a paper towel on the side, and each time that I smooth out the dot, I'll wipe the spoon off on the paper towel. And then now that I'm at the end of the actual tail part, I'm going to use my small angled spatula and just kind of give it some lines and depth so it brings all the cupcakes together. Okay, so like I said, I'm just using my angled spatula now, and I'm creating a line, wiping it off the paper towel. Creating a line, wiping it on the paper towel. So this kind of makes like the, I guess, veiny part of the bottom of the tail. I'm not sure what you would call it, but you get my picture. And then I'm also going like with the grain, as you would see like in wood, but I'm doing it on the tail just so that it kind of looks more realistic. I mean, this cake is for a little girl, but I'm sure she knows what a mermaid tail looks like. But yeah, it's really simple, guys. You can easily do it with minimal tools, and if you do end up doing it, comment in the comment section below. Share the videos with me. I'd love to see what you guys made. Guys, we're almost finished. All that's left to do is to add the sprinkles, but I'm going to be filming that in time-lapse for your sanity and mine. So I ran out of space on this time-lapse video, but the idea is to just put the sprinkles all around the outside of the mermaid tail to create a super cute effect.